What y'all doing? Y'all ready to eat? I gotta get some eggs out of there. It's been a minute. It's been a couple of days. Come here, Pilgrim. You always get first dibs. Okay. You want some more? Okay. We can share. Alright. My baskets. Y'all still haven't finished that pumpkin. Okay. We're gonna go in here and see if we got some eggs. We should. I think it's been a couple of days. Yeah, we got some eggs. A couple in there. Oh, that one collapsed. I gotta fix that one. Got some in there, got some in there. Yeah. Let's see how many we end up with here. Don't come out here every day. Try to get out here every other day unless it's gonna be cold. These fancy blue ones. I like the copper ones we started getting. Let's see if we have any. There's actually a couple copper ones in there. There's a dirty egg. There's some more in here. That's actually got freckles on there. That's pretty cool. I think these are our older hens. These are a bit bigger. I'm filling up that basket already. Here's another one of those copper ones. Pretty cool. Yeah, I'm gonna get another basket. That one's full. Still got one more bin to go through. They're quiet out there right now. Okay. From here I'll go over to the ducks and see if we got any duck eggs. But got a good little collection there. I'm gonna hang this other one up here. Oh. Keep one hanging in here. All right, we'll take these over and go check on the ducks. Thank you for the eggs. Close this up. No, you like picking my eggs. Leave them alone. They're mine now. Not for you. Keep them in line, Pilgrim. I'm gonna go get some more eggs. What's up, Clackers? Oh, you are muddy. Look at you. Look how muddy you are. Let me set this down. Put this one over here. Sick chick, you got any eggs in there for me? Sick chick. I see you. See if they got anything. Oops. What you got in there? You got any eggs? You got any eggs? Can I get some? Those aren't yours. Those look like duck eggs. Can I get them? Mind if I get these duck eggs? Alright. Move over. Let me grab these from the very back. They are muddy. I know. I tried to tell them to wipe their feet before they come back in here. They don't listen to me. Why don't you have a talking to them? See if you can do something about that. I need cleaner eggs. That's why y'all are muddy. Y'all over there drilling in the mud. Let me check this igloo over here, see what we got. Oh, we got another stash in here. Got another stash. Let me get my basket. how muddy these duck eggs are. Alright. These right here. Look like there may have been one broken in that nest earlier. Alright. Well shoot, this basket's full too. I still gotta go check the turkey pen. Thank you for the eggs. I don't know if I'll be able to get any more in here, but we'll walk over there and find out. Because these are pretty full. Y'all ready for your afternoon snack? Hey, y'all got eggs in there? I don't know if I got room. Let me try to fill this one up completely. Okay. Y'all got some eggs in here? I need to collect eggs. We got some orders for the weekend. Alright, let me get my basket. See what we got. Oh. See one back here. You know what I'm doing. I'm getting y'all's eggs. It's been cold at night. Just getting over this rain. I think we're done with this rain. I don't think we're supposed to get rain this weekend. First weekend in a while we haven't had rain. Oh, how did I miss that one? But we do definitely have some muddy eggs. Let me check this side. Anybody laying over here? Nothing on this side. Okay. Well, thank you for the eggs. I need to get these inside and cleaned off. Y'all finish your dinner, and we will. Rusty, you want to say hey? No? You don't want to say hey? All right. Go do your thing. Let me get these eggs inside. Always keep the door closed.